Affiliate marketing. Now, you've been hearing all about this, right? You see the YouTube videos everywhere. People are cashing in on it. Well, at least some of them. And you know that there's a way to make money from home, but how the heck are people doing this? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, how it works and how you can start an online business that can start bringing you in residual income. So stick around. Hey, what's up? This is Tamil. Now, before I get started, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe the minute I meet you like some people do, but I will tell you this. If you don't subscribe, you're going to kick yourself because you're going to be missing out on so much valuable content about starting an online business, generating leads for it, and ultimately just living life on your terms. So with that being said, let's jump right in.
All right, here we go. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's just you basically selling other people's stuff. That's pretty much it. Now, if you want me to break it down to you a little bit more, then affiliate marketing is just, referring people to a particular product or service, and then if they're purchasing from you, you're able to receive a commission from that particular product or services. And this pretty much makes you an affiliate. So let's look at what I have right here. This is basically what an affiliate would look like, or if you're doing affiliate marketing. So you, the affiliate, you basically will be marketing or targeting a particular audience. And typically they're going to be people that are looking for what you already have to offer. So it's going to be you basically targeting or looking for people that have a common interest in the products and services that you have on the market. And so when you do that, you're basically, you're targeting these people for this particular product, and you're partnered with an affiliate program. Now, these products typically are not your products, and most people online, they're not their products. They're basically promoting someone else's product, but they're making a commission off of it. So you really pretty much put yourself in a position of being the middleman. So it's you, the middleman, targeting or marketing to a group of people, and you're marketing this product that's not even yours. And so what ends up happening is you're going to do it online, of course, and you're going to do it through, whether it's paid marketing or free marketing, but they typically will give you a link to any product, that they have for you to market. And when people any traffic that you have, click on that particular link. That link is like connected to you. So when someone purchases, say for example, a laptop, or maybe some earphones, or some earbuds, or whatever it could be, it could be a new camera, or whenever people purchase that, through your link that's tied to you, then you will receive a commission from that price. So if it's $100, pair of earphones that someone purchases, then maybe the company is going to give you, 10% of that final price, or maybe, 15% or 30%. It's totally up to the company or the program as to, how much they want to give you, but you can receive a commission from that. Now, if you are an affiliate for a product that has like an ongoing service where someone is paying on it on a monthly basis, then you get a commission from that product or that service that they are purchasing on a monthly basis. So that's kind of where your passive income comes in at for a lot of people that are marketing services, where they have like a reoccurring payment where they're paying every single month. As long as that person that clicked on your link is paying every single month, then you are making an income off of that every single month. So it doesn't matter if it's an extra 10, 15, 20, 30, $40, whatever the affiliate program is offering you, you would make a percentage off of that every month. So you basically act as like the middleman to selling this product to other people. And by doing so, when you receive that commission, I mean, that's great, additional income. And just think about it. What if you have like 10 people that, click on your different links? Or what if you're marketing 3 products or 5 products or 10 products, and you have, 50 or 100 people, clicking on your link, signing up, purchasing products through you, What if you had that happening, continuously, monthly, people coming to you? You can really create a really, really great passive income with affiliate marketing. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is it doesn't require the people who purchase from you to go out and like get more people. It's not like some of your MLMs where you're building a downline. It is really kind of like, you're selling to that one particular person, a product each time. So there's no downline building or anything like that. So that is the great, wonderful thing about, affiliate marketing. And basically, like I said before, it's just you promoting other people's stuff. You're referencing, this link or this product to people, so that they can, purchase from it, and you're just receiving a commission. And it is so popular now because I see so many people online that want to get into affiliate marketing. They want to learn about it. There's all these different programs out there for people to learn how to market this product online or this type of marketing online. And you can market so many different products. I mean, practically, I don't care what company you look at now, they have an affiliate program. Because why not? Why not get someone else to help you promote your product? It's like the best thing since sliced bread, really, that has been out. And affiliate marketing is nothing new. It's just that people want to learn more about making money from home, making money online. And for some reason that this is just a marketing strategy that, people love. You don't need a lot of startup costs to get involved in it. You can get into a lot of them for very low cost, and it's kind of like it can be a word of mouth thing, or it can be a promotional thing. It's what you want it to be. And the commissions on there, they range in price, maybe from 3% on up, but I mean, it's really, really a great type of home business to have. So this right here, this is affiliate marketing.
Okay, so by now you have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing. It's kind of hard for me not to be in this space because I have an online business and I'm constantly telling people about the different products and services that I use. I'm telling people about, my email marketing service that I use. I'm referring people to, web hosting services that I use and what type of video editing program that I use. Just imagine if you got paid every time you refer someone to your favorite restaurant, or you told people about, a great movie that you just saw. Do you know what kind of money you would make if your job was just to basically refer people to the products and services that you use? You would make so much money. So with the most simplest words possible, that's basically affiliate marketing. Now, here's the great thing about affiliate marketing. Anyone can start. So if you don't have an online business at the moment, that's perfectly okay, because anyone can start whether you have a product or not, or whether you have an existing business or not. Now, here's some things to consider or to keep in mind. All affiliate programs are not equal. Commission payouts can range anywhere from 3% to 50% of the product, depending on how much the product is and how much the service costs. So if you're okay with making a few extra dollars here and there, then maybe 10% commission on a product is great for you to start with. However, if you're serious about making extra income, then maybe $500, $1,500, $2,000 as an additional income, then you better be looking at high-ticket commission products that will pay you upwards 50%. So these are the ones that will help you quit your job. Now, there is some skill behind this as well. I won't get into it here, but I will be creating future videos on how I'm using this type of affiliate marketing in my business. But that's another video for right now. So getting back to what you choose depends on what you want to make. And I do recommend that you start with one product to focus on since you're new to this. So by now you should be asking yourself, what do I look for in an affiliate marketing program that will ultimately help me make more money in the long run? Well, here's one thing that I look for when choosing a product or service to sell as an affiliate marketer. One thing I look for is training programs. Now, that's my thing, but I think you should be looking for something that, that you've used yourself before, or that has an upsell, not just a one-time sell for that product, but something that will allow you to sell to the same customer multiple times. For example, if you decided to market a DSLR camera by Canon, then you know that if you sell that camera, then your customer could probably use a tripod or a microphone. You know what I mean? And then, depending on those purchases, you could put more products in front of the same customer and then sell to them multiple times. This allows you to really increase your sales without you having to have a huge customer base, because you can sell multiple products to less people. So don't think that you need like 100 or 200 people to have a profitable business. Now, if you had a targeted list, then you could send them, weekly emails about your product that you're promoting. And basically this means that you can just have additional sales on the back end. This is how a lot of people are making money. But you wouldn't do this in the beginning because you just want to start with one product. However, you should consider this in the beginning if you're starting to choose a product. Okay, so if you want to learn how I market my business online and you want to get involved in a system that will teach you how to get leads and to market your business professionally, not like what I see on social media where people are spamming their page, but you want to be able to attract people who are looking for you and your product. So online, you want to help people by providing a solution and giving value, not pitching and selling your opportunity. So go down to the description and click on the top link that says my #1 recommendation for making money online. I'm going to send you a free video training from me, so make sure that you click the link in the description after the video. Alright, so by now you have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing and how it works and how to choose the right product. With that being said, how do you pick a product or service to offer? How can you narrow this thing down so that you're not all over the place and you're trying to find something to sell? And if you're anything like me, then you probably want to just pick something like right fast. That's it, period. Well, why not think about being an affiliate for programs that teach people how to become affiliate marketers? You get the best of both worlds because you get to get an opportunity to learn from a program that you've already been working with. So you can give an actual true testimony. You can write about it on your blog. You can, post your testimony on social media. You can say something like, hey, I've been learning so much from this awesome program that has allowed me to start my online business. And so now I'm on my way to making my first $300 in my business. Who else would love to do the same? Now, I do have a disclaimer here that there are programs out there and companies out there that do not teach you how to market. They have tons of products and they will be gladly to just give you a link so that you can blast it all over social media or wherever else, and they charge for this. Whatever is the hottest crave is, basically what people capitalize on. For example, Amazon. Now, there are programs out there that capitalize off of Amazon. They say that they can teach you how to market, but actually they make money off of the program that you bought. So basically they're just selling you marketing material that will not lead you to a profit. So you want to kind of do your research and be careful before purchasing programs. You need to learn how to market online, not just how to sign up as an affiliate, especially if you want to replace your income and then surpass your income if you want to quit your job. So you're going to have to learn some new skills, that will help take you to the next level. Now, if you want to learn how I market my business online, then make sure that you go down to the description and click on my #1 recommendation for making money online. Okay, so I just want to throw this out there that I see so much online where people make this look so easy and that you can just make money in your sleep like right now. But there's a learning process to this, and it's not as long as going to college, but you can learn in a short period of time how to make money with affiliate marketing online. You need to learn about what an offer is. You need to learn about, your target audience and what they want and how to get people messaging you on Facebook and Instagram rather than you sending people, these spammy messages to their inbox trying to promote your product and your opportunity. There are different ways to start, and one way to start is to find a product or service that you use that you can comfortably talk about. So go check out, company websites and see if they have affiliate programs, and you can usually do that by finding it on their website. It's usually like a small link down at the bottom of the page. Go ahead and sign up. It's just that simple. So also, this is a series of the Home Business Beginner's Guide. So don't forget to check out my other video, which is blogging for network marketers. Also, if you want to get free access to my video, then go ahead and click on the #1 recommendation for making money online. Let me know in the comment section what you're involved in, and if you haven't started an online business, that's okay. You can still hit me up on Instagram. Okay, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and I hope you got a lot of good information that you can use for yourself. I will be creating additional videos on how I'm generating leads from my network marketing business, and I will be going into more detail as to how I'm generating these leads and what I'm doing to get the results that I'm getting. So until next time, I will see you on the next video. Well, I hope you got value out of this video. I hope you got a lot of, good information that you can go and use.